Hi, this is Marky with Hive. I'm here today because summer's right around the corner, and what's on everybody's mind is their outdoor space and how they're going to make it their dream outdoor space so they can enjoy summer. In this video, I'm going to go over the 3 things to consider when designing your dream outdoor entertainment space. Here are the 3 things to consider before planning your outdoor entertainment space. Number 1, the size of your space you have to work with. Number 2, the environment you live in. So is it cold weather sometimes of the year? Is it tropical weather? These things all affect what you should build in your outdoor entertainment space. Number 3, how do you want to use the space? So with number 1, the size of your space, this comes in, big consideration, because if your yard's not big enough for a pool, I'm sorry, you might have to get a jacuzzi instead. These are just some of the things you should think with. Sometimes our clients, they want to do an outdoor projector or movie theater, but the space does not fit the amount of distance you need to be able to have an outdoor projector screen. So then there's now really high quality outdoor TVs that can handle full sun, full weather, and ones that can be in the shade, depending on what your area looks like. Number 2 is your environment. So obviously, if you're in a cold weather state, you're gonna have different challenges than if you're in a tropical climate. Here in Florida, most people live most of the year in and outside because of the weather being so nice. So it gives you a little bit more opportunity to really enjoy your outdoor space all year round. Some of the features that our clients like to have are, TVs above their barbecue and then under their lanai. Some of them even have projector screens that come out at the end of their pool and pop out from under the ground so they can float in the pool while watching a movie. So these are all things to think about when you're thinking of weather and how you would use it. A lot of times in the northern states and even here in Florida, we automate outdoor fireplaces that are hooked up to gas so that you can really set the mood with the touch of a button, just to keep you warm on those cold Florida winter nights. And the third thing is how to use your space. So in my family, we like a lot of football in football season. So we personally have a TV by the barbecue, a TV under the pergola, and then we spaced it out so you could eat and socialize and have fun all throughout the backyard. And everywhere you look, there is sound, music, TVs, and a place to have some good food. So maybe this isn't your thing. Maybe you want to have upscale dinner parties and you want to have music path through your landscaping that nobody even sees. That is an option that you can do. It's really figuring out what is it that I want to accomplish with my outdoor space and what purposes am I going to use it for. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it got your mind going with a bunch of ideas to build your outdoor dream entertainment space. You can always follow us for more and watch tons of videos on everything you need to know to make your home a smart home.